Hey guys, my name is Emil and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight. Technology is done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix Steam not opening error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get into the video. Okay, so firstly what you want to do is you're going to open Task Manager. So in Windows 11 you're going to right click on the Start button to open Task Manager. Okay, if you're on Windows 10 you can right click on the taskbar, on an empty space on the taskbar, and you'll have Task Manager option there. Okay, so since I'm on Windows 11 I'm going to click on the Start button, right click on the Start button and click on the Task Manager. So once Task Manager opens, you're going to search for Steam. Okay, so you find Steam. Okay, so Steam is here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it and then you're going to click on End Task. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to close out of Task Manager and double click on Steam to open it again, and it should open up. Okay guys, so let's move on to the second method. Second method is you're going to right click on Steam, the icon, and go into properties. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to go into compatibility tab and you're going to check this, run this program as administrator. Click on apply, okay, and try to open Steam again. Or what you can do is you can right click and just run it as administrator. And the last method, the third method, is to uninstall Steam. So to uninstall Steam, you're going to go here and then you're going to click on add or remove. You're going to search add or remove a program. Okay. Then you're going to search for Steam. You see Steam here. You're going to click on this and click on uninstall. After you uninstall Steam, re-download Steam and reinstall it. So after reinstalling, that should work. That should fix Steam. I hope one of the three methods worked for you, and if it did, please put them down in the comments below. And yeah, if you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.